Did you know there's a better way to fix trip hazards, settled concrete, or unsafe steps? Dry basement foundation repair offers a non-invasive, non-demolition with less mess polylift system that will quickly raise and level any concrete surface. It's fast and accurate, it's eco-friendly, is affordable, and it's ready in minutes. Contact us today. Dry Basement Foundation Repair.